Now let's see the question number 8. The equation of a wave traveling on a string is y equal to 0.1 sine 31.4x plus 314t. The first part, the question is asking, in which direction does the wave travel? B part, find the wave speed, wavelength, frequency. And in the C part, maximum displacement and maximum speed of portion of the string. For the first part, the concept is that if the coefficient of x and t have same sign, then it means that the wave is traveling along negative x direction. And if the coefficient of x and t have different sign or opposite sign means any one will have positive sign and other will have negative sign. Same sign means either both will be positive sign or both will be negative sign. So if both will have opposite sign, then it means that the given wave is traveling along positive x direction. So in our given question, we can see that coefficient of both x and t are positive. It means that the given wave is traveling along negative x direction. So the answer of first part will be negative x direction. Now in the B part, they are asking, find the wave speed, wavelength and frequency of the wave. If we will compare the given equation with the standard wave equation, then we can write this y equal to a sine kx plus omega t. So compare the given equation with the standard equation. So a or amplitude of the given wave is 0.1 millimeter and k equal to 31.4. K is called wave number and omega is 314. So first thing they are asking the speed of the wave. So the general formula to find the speed of the wave is distance by time or wavelength on time period. If we substitute t equal to 1 by frequency, so we can also write this lambda into frequency, and this is also equal to omega by k. So now simply substitute the value. Omega is given 314 and k is given 31.4. So if we will simplify this, it will come out 10 meter per second. Now we have to find wavelength. For finding wavelength, we will take the help of wave number, because wave number is equal to 2 pi by wavelength. So from here, wavelength equal to 2 pi by wave number. Now we will substitute the given value of wave number. So 2 into pi 3.14 by k equal to 31.4. So if we simplify this, it will come out 0.2 meter. They are asking frequency. So for finding frequency, we will take the help of omega. Omega equal to 2 pi into frequency. Omega is called angular frequency and simply f is called linear frequency or frequency. So in the given sum, they are asking linear frequency. So linear frequency or frequency equal to omega by 2 pi. Now substitute the value of omega. Omega is 314 by 2 pi. 2 into 3.14. If we will simplify this, it will come out 50. And unit of linear frequency is hertz. So this will be the answer for omega. Now we'll see the C part of the question. In the C part, they are asking what is the maximum displacement and maximum speed of portion of the displacement. Maximum displacement means what, guys? Maximum displacement means the amplitude of the wave. And amplitude of wave we already got by the comparison. So amplitude of the wave is 0.1 millimeter. And one more part is there, maximum speed of portion of the string. And we already know that any portion of the string is doing simple harmonic motion. In a wave, we already know if we'll take any portion of the string, then this portion of this point is doing simple harmonic motion. And we know that in case of simple harmonic motion, the maximum speed of any particle is what? Maximum speed of any particle is omega into a. Now put the value of omega. Omega is given 314 and amplitude is given 0.1 millimeter. So if we simplify this, it will come out 31.4 millimeter per second. And there is one more method to find Vmax. This is the displacement equation given, and we know that velocity of particle, how we get from displacement equation? We differentiate the displacement equation with respect to time. So if we'll differentiate this, it will come out 0.1. Now multiply this by the coefficient of time, and this is 314. Now sign will change in cos and remaining term will be same. So 314 meter inverse x plus 314 second inverse into time. So this is the general equation of velocity of particle. So what is the maximum speed? Maximum of cos. So maximum of cos is 1. So this will be equal to 0.1 into 314. So again this will become 31.4 millimeter per second. So we are getting the same answer either by applying the concept of simple harmonic motion or by applying the general concept of the wave. Thank you.